to show my Dirty Harry go ahead make my day model 39 44 Magnum, some range. It's been a while, so let's run some steel with it. Oh yeah. Gets the job done. Gets the job done for sure. Go ahead, make my day. Okay, I'm going to see where this thing is hitting. It was hitting the steel pretty good, but just to see, you know, if I'm hitting low, high, left, right. I'm going to hit the upper left target. Whole point is bullseye. I don't know what. Oh, yeah, up and to the right a little bit. It's just me. Yeah, she'll get the job done. One interesting thing I noticed that some people already know about, but not many. You know, it's not a something that people talk about. But I know nowadays holsters, they want you to cover the whole trigger guard and everything. But holsters for old double action revolvers, notice gun is empty. You notice these old holsters, the trigger is accessible, but the hammer is restricted. So even if the trigger gets snagged, it doesn't let the hammer fall back and doesn't cause a negligent discharge. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, so if you ever have an old holster for a revolver, only for revolvers, where the trigger guard is open, right? And plus if you happen to pull it out with your finger on the trigger, I'm pointing in the right direction, in a safe direction, and right, there's still quite a bit of pressure. Now, granted, in a situation where you have adrenaline rush, you might pull the trigger, but still, I'm sure with training, most people would still draw out with their finger off the trigger, even though the trigger guard is accessible. Okay. Just thought that was something interesting. Later. And you know, of course, it deserves a lot of cowbell.